Forget everything you think you know about skincare. New dermatological research reveals 90% of women are damaging their skin with popular exfoliants, but a groundbreaking study uncovers 5 little-known ingredients that can transform your complexion in just 14 days. We're talking erasing fine lines, banishing acne, and achieving that elusive glass skin glow. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why your current routine might be sabotaging your skin, the shocking truth about that cult favorite scrub, and the one ingredient that outperforms retinol by 200%. Plus, we'll expose the dirty secret behind natural exfoliants that's costing you thousands. By the end, you'll have the insider knowledge to revolutionize your skincare game and unlock your most radiant skin ever. Don't miss the mind-blowing reveal of ingredient number 3. It's about changing everything. Now let's unveil these skin-transforming powerhouses. 1. Glycolic acid, the multitasking marvel. Let's kick things off with a true skincare superstar, glycolic acid. This alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, derived from sugarcane, is the smallest molecule in the AHA family, allowing it to penetrate the skin deeply and effectively. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that glycolic acid can improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and even out skin tone in as little as 4 weeks. But here's where it gets exciting. Glycolic acid doesn't just work on the surface, it actually stimulates collagen production, helping to plump and firm the skin from within. Key benefits of glycolic acid: accelerates cell turnover, improves skin texture and tone, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, helps unclog pores, brightens overall complexion. Pro tip: start with a low concentration, around 5 to 7%, and gradually work your way up to higher percentages as your skin builds tolerance. Always follow up with sunscreen, as glycolic acid can increase sun sensitivity. Ready to unlock the secrets of glowing skin? Hit that subscribe button faster than glycolic acid can renew your skin cells, and let's continue this journey to radiant skin together. 2. Salicylic acid, the pore-clearing powerhouse. If you're battling stubborn blackheads, enlarged pores, or acne, salicylic acid is about to become your new best friend. This beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, is oil-soluble, meaning it can penetrate deep into the pores to clear out excess sebum and dead skin cells. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that salicylic acid was effective in reducing acne lesions and improving overall skin texture. But here's the kicker. Salicylic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for calming irritated skin. Key benefits of salicylic acid: unclogs pores, reduces acne and blackheads, minimizes the appearance of pores, calms inflammation, improves overall skin texture. How to use: look for cleansers, toners, or spot treatments containing 0.52% salicylic acid. For sensitive skin, start with lower concentrations and use it every other day. 3. Lactic acid, the gentle giant. If you have sensitive skin but still crave that exfoliated glow, lactic acid is your go-to ingredient. Derived from milk, this AHA is larger than glycolic acid, making it gentler and less likely to cause irritation. A groundbreaking study in the archives of dermatological research found that lactic acid not only exfoliates but also improves the skin's natural moisturizing factors. This means it hydrates while it exfoliates. Talk about a win-win. Key benefits of lactic acid: gently exfoliates, improves skin hydration, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, brightens skin tone, suitable for sensitive skin types. Pro tip: lactic acid pairs beautifully with hyaluronic acid for an extra boost of hydration. Look for serums or moisturizers that combine these two ingredients for maximum glow. 4. Enzyme Exfoliants, nature's gentle exfoliators. For those who prefer a more natural approach, enzyme exfoliants are a game changer. Derived from fruits like papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin, these enzymes gently dissolve dead skin cells without any harsh scrubbing. A study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that papaya from papaya and bromelain from pineapple were effective in improving skin texture and brightness. The best part, these enzymes are incredibly gentle, making them suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Key benefits of enzyme exfoliants: gentle exfoliation, suitable for sensitive and reactive skin. Improves skin texture and brightness, provides antioxidant benefits, can be used more frequently than other exfoliants. How to use: look for masks or peels containing fruit enzymes. These can typically be used 1-2 times per week for a gentle, natural glow. 5. Physical exfoliants, the classic approach. While chemical exfoliants have been stealing the spotlight, let's not forget about good old-fashioned physical exfoliants. When used correctly, ingredients like jojoba beads, rice powder, or finely ground oats can provide immediate smoothing and brightening effects. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that gentle physical exfoliation can improve skin texture and enhance the penetration of other skincare products. The key word here is gentle. We're not talking about harsh, abrasive scrubs that can damage your skin barrier. Key benefits of physical exfoliants: immediate smoothing effect, enhances product absorption, improves circulation, can be customized for different skin types, provides a satisfying sensory experience. Pro tip: mix a small amount of physical exfoliant with your regular cleanser for a custom, gentle scrub. Always use light pressure and avoid over-exfoliating. Now that we've covered the top 5 exfoliating ingredients, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your skincare routine for maximum glow. 1. Start slow. Introduce one exfoliating ingredient at a time, starting with once or twice a week. 2. Listen to your skin. If you experience irritation or redness, reduce frequency or switch to a gentler option. 3. Layer wisely. Apply chemical exfoliants after cleansing, but before serums and moisturizers. 4. Don't mix certain actives. Avoid using retinol or vitamin C on the same nights as your exfoliating products. 5. Always use sunscreen. Exfoliation can increase sun sensitivity, so SPF is non-negotiable. Excited to take your skincare routine to the next level? Subscribe now and join our community of glow-getters. Let's recap our top 5 exfoliating ingredients for glowing skin. 1. Glycolic acid, the multitasking marvel for overall skin renewal. 2. Salicylic acid, the pore-clearing powerhouse for acne-prone skin. 3. Lactic acid, the gentle giant for sensitive skin types. 4. Enzyme exfoliants, nature's gentle exfoliators for a natural approach. 5. Physical exfoliants, the classic approach for immediate smoothing. Remember, the key to successful exfoliation is finding the right balance for your unique skin. What works for someone else might not work for you, so don't be afraid to experiment carefully to find your perfect exfoliation routine. Excited to dive deeper into skincare science? Vote in the comments for our next video. 1. The truth about retinol, miracle worker or overhyped. 2. Niacinamide, the jack of all trades in skincare. If you found this guide to exfoliating ingredients helpful, you'll love our video on the vitamin C scrub revolution, brighter skin in 30 days. Check it out next. Remember, if 95% of viewers subscribe and share, our channel will grow exponentially. Help spread evidence-based skincare knowledge by liking, commenting, and sharing. Subscribe for more radiant skin tips. Exfoliation is key to transforming dull skin into a dazzling complexion. Master these top 5 exfoliating ingredients to achieve that coveted glow. However, true beauty comes from within. While these ingredients enhance your skin, remember that confidence and self-love are the ultimate radiance boosters. As you pursue glowing skin, nurture your inner beauty too.